Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be introducing you to all the horses in Samabhava. First, I'm going to start with Padiyappa. So this is Padiyappa. He's one of the oldest ponies here. He's 29 years old, and even though he was rescued 6 years ago, and he's still the oldest pony. This is Shivmoga, and nothing really happened to him. The owner just handed over Shivmoga to Samabhava because he didn't want to see Shivmoga work, and that's all about Shivmoga. And this is VK, and Shivmoga is really protective of VK, and they both are very best friends, like Survivor and Boy. And that's all about these two. This is VK, and he fractured his right hind leg, this leg. That's why his hoof is so small. And he had been cast for 5 months. Yeah, that's VK. This is a cat food. I'm going to go give the kittens their food now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button, and if you want more content about animals, click that subscribe button and click the notification bell right next to it so you get notified when I post a video. If you want to know about the other horses, please stay tuned for the upcoming videos. If you want to see my first video, please click over here. If you want to donate to Samabhava, please feel free to click the link in the description, and a little goes a long way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!